don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. TV, it's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, TS Galaxy 1. I'm joined by the best chairman in the world, Shaka Parks. Shaka Parks.
Hey, Tipos. I'm a fans wethu. I'm a pagani ajabulile mfowethu. Yeah, you know what? Bekuyigame yokuqala engicabanga ukuthi mhlambe mangayikhuluma in deeper than Orlando Pirates supporters. Spiritual from players, and then management, even to us as a supporters. Besifuna experience ukuthi for the first time besivalelisa ukosha Tuesday weekend uNcikazi unikezwe quiet ukuthi aqathele imidlalo esele. That's 4 remaining game minus lower to the shoot. There's 3 games left. Bengibhekile vele ukuthi ngingacishe kubenshi because spiritual ama players emotional ayazi ukuthi umqeqeshi uhambile and then kumele adjust kulokhona of which into kumele leyo bayenze very few days. I'm talking about from Tuesday Saturday sebekumele balalele ama-lesson amasha from New Coach uNcikazi, of which that's why sigcine igame iphela nge-draw.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why igame igcine iphela nge-draw because kuningi okusho kumele bakufunde kuNcikazi. Na uNcikazi somehow ubefuna ukudifa kancane kwi-Spanish guitar ngekomsebenzi yakhe because uNcikazi sekhosha kumele everybody say uNcikazi exactly when strategy sika Jose. Yeah, that's why I guess sibukile ibhola. So what I'm happy uNcikazi uthole i-chance ukuthi anikeze all players game time. Of which ama player bengadlali kwe-Paris they deserve now ukuthi siwabone kulama game afew asele because already Spanish guitar siqedile. We're claiming we are position number 2. No one overtake us. Of which now uNcikazi namadlala abakhona manje kuParis abangaze bayithola game time. I wish uNcikazi abanikeze game time because nothing pressure now. Just to produce abadlali abafana bakhululeke badlale piano and shushan mama ngabe bayakwazi shibobos and dribbling all skill they have. Kumele basibone si talent labo la ngempela manje. Sino talent awafani but kule midlalo eseyisele eParis Uncikazi give them a platform abadlali. They show us talent abanalo. Nothing pressure now. Just we just finish the midlalo esele si prepare i-season ezayo. Of which abafana mengakhululeka nje ukuthi no umfana akaveze talent analo manje. Nothing wrong ukuthi umfana ashaye amashibobo adribule aphase inet mayishayeka ishawe net, but I think engakusho manje ngakubonga abalandeli beParis ababuye in big numbers njengasizovala i-league ukuthi sikuposition number 2 abeze so celebrate la position number 2 yethu wonke lama remaining games asele. Yes, i-attendance namhlanje kumina bengekho bad because ukuhamba kwa Jose as a favorite coach and then everyone they know ukuthi uJose akekho abanye they are still nursing ama pains for uJose living. And then Tina ke nabanye ke sathi siyofela kuyona eParis. Angithi uyabona namhlanje ikarapa ngilifakanga. Awungibuzi ukuthi why today ikarapa
ngombuzi vele.
Awungibuzi ukuthi why ikarapa namhlanje. Ikarapa aliko ekhanda lami because imidlalo seyisele for fun.
Oh.
Nothing been serious.
Ngiyakuthola.
Akusamele ngesindwe ikhanda sengazi ukuthi no. Noba siyaluza angipheniki.
Yeah.
Noba siyawina ngeke ngize ngijabule into etheni.
Yeah.
Kumele nje kodwa ngibe khona kuma grandstand ngeseka abafana because what I hate angifuni ukubona abadlali beParis bedlalela kwi-empty stadium.
Yeah.
Let's keep our legacy, let's keep our vision ukuthi we are the Orlando Pirates supporters. Blue or black or button red or what.
Yeah.
Into njenganalezo thina siyadingeka e-stadium sizofila apha e-Orlando Stadium sinikeze abadlali bethu isupport. Ngimzwile uQueen Bates ekhala. Unfortunately kubhlungu ukukhala komlandeli team yakhe isehlathini futhi ngake ngisathi nokuthi isehlathini. Unfortunately iSwallows isethuneni. I'm sorry to say ukuthi iSwallows isethuneni the way esokwenzeke ngakhona. Yes, ukuba stubborn kwabo Queen Bates, I'm happy ukuba abe stubborn like abo Bota. iCeltics yangcwatshelwa eThekwini yabo Royal AM. Today kwenzeke iskandal ku-PSL for the first time in history ngisupport ibhola. Ngiqala ukuyibona into yenzeke this time ku-PSL. Kube khona i-team engezuyidlala imidlalo until izoba eYzembe. This is the first time kumele ngifunde okuningi ebholeni. Ngifundile ke lokuthi ushuthi ngama mistake enzekalayo ebholeni zenzeke into ezinjengalale. And I will pray with PSL management into yenzeke kule season next season ingasenzeka. Even nama team launcha ama complain late sebona I team say win something abe launcha I complain late.
Sure.
I complain engene early.
Exactly.
If I parents yenze I mistake yadlalisa umdlali obe nama bookings kuleyo game, following game I complain I launch immediately.
Yeah.
Inga delay because yabona le scandal sezimane siqhamuka ku-NFT siqhamuka kumtsipe siqhamuka le phansi akusona iskandal kumele siyasibona lezo.
Yeah.
Professional must stay professional. Ibanga ingabe ama-amisha. Professional kube professional all the time. Yeah, professional ayihlale i-professional.
Yes.
Yeah. Lana le platform yama friends wethu yokufixa into ezifana nalezo ukuthi asingadlala ama mind games la ngafanele kudlalwe khona ama mind games. Professional must stay professional. Thina nje sabalandeli bebhola siyaziya ukuthi singena ngevosho noba kuphi. Ngizibona sekuma VIP emasuthini ngingabona ngibangena kanjani emasutini. Sengithola uqhawu lana angifanele bangitshela ukuthi ufanele bakithi man vele bengifuna ukuya lapha kodwa bangena kanjani la ngazi because I'm a support. But those people aba educated.
Sure.
No, imfundo yabo abayenze ngendlela efanele. Education ayihlale kuyilane yayo. Ayibona izinto zisafa ukuthi lezi ukuze sizofika la zofibhethisa inhlelo bazi bambe bazisolve ngendlela. Yeah, ingakho kumlayezo wami omkhulu kakhulu njenga sivala manje kuyimidlalo yokugcina le betway. Angithanda ngifuna nje ukuthi without fear or favor iskandal esenzeke kuMamkhize asingaphinde senzeke. Yeah, I think ne-Iron Juke as a chairman of the PSL into njenganale yenzekile angikhumbula ukuthi imphathe kahle. Angikhumbula ukuthi imphathe kahle ngoba years and years erana le position ku-PSL. It's the first time faceana nesakhe njenganalisi of which thina chairman wethu Orlando Pirates Football Club asithanda umuntu ozamsapotage. Asithanda umuntu ozasapotage i-Iron Juke.
Yeah.
Iron Juke yakhile ibhola yasemzansi. Ibhola lasemzansi le-PSL li-top. La e-Africa iyona league e-top ukudlula wonke ama-league akhona e-Africa. Manje makuzoqhamuka into ezinjenganalezi ziyamsapotasha umuntu oshaman njengana shaman PSL. Now into ezinjenganalezi abo admin ababe aware because ekugcineni akhuluma admin la so kumele yonke into eyenzekile kuthiwe chairman official siyona i mistake ka chairman i mistake yenye team of which the team kumele ibhekane namaphutha wayo but ekugcineni masokwenzeka into ezinjenganalezi azidli kahle zigcina sesikhanda ama-enemy for unnecessary ya uyabona zagcina sekuzondeka ushemeni wethu for unnecessary ya into enjenganalezi siyazicela management ye-PSL ingaphinde yenzeka into efana nale yenzeke ile ye-Royal AM sabalandeli be-PSL sisuka kude ne-PSL siyilandela njengane ngizwe ukuthi emlandweni ka-Iron Joke this is the first time ayikazi yenze kuyaqaleka nqa futhi ngiyayino ukuthi njengayenzeke so ngiyayazi mina Iron Joke ayiphathekanga kahle iyamgulisa into njenganale kuba la esethi i-PSL uyirun ivuthiwe bese kuqhamuka into njenganale phela all eyes of FIFA abheke wonke lama organization we football eyes of FIFA abheke wonke ama organization we football of which uzoyireport uyithini into njenganale ngiyacela amashaman wama team wonke aku-PSL awabheke kahle emathimini wawo ukuthi kwenzakalani so that end of the day kungabikho ukupointa amafinger komunye umuntu yeah abadlali be-Pirates ngifuna ukuthi bebonke njengabenikezwe i-game time right now ibambe i-game time uyisebenzise sifuna ukubona i-talent enalo zinike nidlala i-team enkulu Orlando Pirates Football Club is a big team in Africa more than any team here in PSL it's a big team aba achieve from ukopa ku Orlando Pirates Football Club if kukhona okungehli kahle lokho enhlizweni yakhe akaye kwi-FIFA rules le
amakayofa manje
ayofa kwi-FIFA ayozwa imithetho ezukuthi Africa yephi team enkulu Orlando Pirates is a big team in Africa if you undermine Pirates you undermine yourself so you know what but once a pirate always we keep saying always
uJosi uthi umthandi Chairman kanti wena uthandana noJosi
let me answer uJosi
usithandana noJosi
kuna amagama amane ngesingisi kukhona amagama ama lesbian khona amagama ayini akangiqondele kuleso akangiqondele leso weJosi mfowethu kabiyelo phutho omkhulu angisiyona inkonkoni angithandana namadoda ngaba ngincanywa abesifazana haya amadoda and kwi-football club ngithanda only one team Orlando Pirates Football Club amanye ama-team anginandaba nawo bangangine chance I'm old enough ngabe kudala lawo mathi ngabe ngamhlamba ngashuza one of them but unfortunately ngithanda Orlando Pirates Football Club
uthi they are the reason why they hate Pirates. We don't need your love. Sundowns lacks lot of love. Ayinathando, it's always empty in their grandstand. Take that love, give it to Sundowns. We don't need you, we don't need your love. We like you as our rivals, but we don't have any relationship of loving each other. Aria, the reason why we hate Pirates has millions and millions of fans who are capable of loving Orlando Pirates. We don't need Lerato Labujosi. In fact, keep your hate, give your hate. We don't want your love.